When we use the term mole in chemistry, we are not talking about the furry animal that makes holes in your lawn. We are not talking about a secret agent. And we are not talking about a brown spot on your skin. What we are talking about is a large number of items. The mole is the official SI unit for amount of substance, and the word comes from Latin for massive heap. Essentially, it is a big pile of stuff. In chemistry, our pile is particles, that is, atoms or molecules. The word mole is really just a counting number in the same way we use pair to represent two of something, like a pair of shoes, dozen to represent 12 of something, like a dozen eggs, and ream to represent 500 sheets of paper. The mole is just a very large counting number, representing 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of anything. It could be a mole of tables, a mole of flashlights, a mole of people, or anything else. This number is a special number for chemistry and has its own name, Avogadro's number. I don't make you memorize many numbers, but this is one you will need to memorize. That 10 to the 23rd on the end of it indicates that the mole is a really huge number. It is nearly 1 trillion trillion. One mole of jelly beans could fill the Empire State Building 2 trillion times, and jelly beans are tiny. The good news is that atoms and molecules are much, much smaller than jelly beans, so the mole is a very appropriate amount for counting atoms and molecules. This slide shows one mole of a variety of chemicals. Some of the chemicals in this picture, aluminum, copper, and helium, are elements, and some of them, salt, sugar, and water, are compounds. But we can use a mole to count either one. All of these amounts are easy to measure out in the lab.